There is another way in by using that we can draw the ER diagram, which is using the artificial intelligence. You'll just have to click on this sparkle icon, and it would ask you to describe your diagram. So you can enter your text that you want this kind of diagram, and that way I have actually written a text, and I just copy this. Let me show you this text on. So create an entity relationship diagram for a university management system and include these entities, departments, and the attributes of department, department ID, name, location, budget, students, and there's another entry, student ID, student name, and everything which we have discussed. So you'll just have to write in plain text, and you can be as much as expressive as you want to, and that would basically easy for the system to understand your text, and that will generate an diagram. So let's just wait for it to get generated. It will take time because it is a bit complicated as. So now it has created the diagram. So I depart ID, and it relates to department, budget, location, and department has students, department offer courses, department employs faculty, and students registers enrollments. Courses includes enrollments, courses assigned teachers, and faculty instruct teachers, and enrollment result in grades. So this is basically the complete visualization of the entire database, if you can understand this. And let me tell you something more interesting. You can work on the aesthetics of your diagram as well. Like, just you select this, you can change the color scheme of different objects in your system, and you can also double click on the text, and you can align the text on the left, right. You can set it to bold or italic or underscore. So like the primary keys are always underlined, so you can go there and get it set to underline text. So, so this is basically another way of drawing the entity relationship diagram or any other UML diagram. You can express everything which you want, and it would write, draw everything for you. And if you want to update or further, and even if has not done well, you can also edit like this. Like if you want to change this text, you can change that, and if you want to add another entity, you can just drag and drop from here, and you can declare another entity if you want to. So now